how to set timing on a 2000 model 2500. It's got a 5.7. Here it's running bad. So what I'm gonna do here, it's real hard to see these screens on the camera. I'm gonna go down here to data display, engine data. It's usually close to the bottom somewhere. You got your CMP retard right there. So you see it's sitting at 0 right now, but I'm gonna give it a little gas and see it pops up to -25. That is your CMP retard. It's like a 13mm wrench on this bolt here on the bottom of the distributor that holds the clamp. We're just going to back it off a little bit. We're going to move this distributor. So now what we're going to do is spin it back around this direction. Back to the ECM. The computer here, our scanner, and we're going to look for CMP retard right there. You can see now it says 7, so we moved it too far. -5. You see we've got that number down to 1. That's your CMP retard. Now on these engines I usually like to turn them off, let that number go to 0, and then we'll crank it back up again. And I'll usually do this 2 or 3 times just to verify. Tighten this bolt back down, of course. After you get done with all of that, tighten down your clamp. This guy had a person tune this thing up. They put a new distributor or another distributor in it, and could not get the timing set correctly. But that's the reason why right there, because you have to turn it off, turn it back on every single time in between, give it a little RPM, and if that CMP retard number is not reading between -2 and +2, your engine's not going to run right.